Good evening and welcome to our further training up. Tonight we'll be considering Google Sheets and it's an extension of what we used to do with our Microsoft Excel. So just to refresh our mind, we said that a sheet is made up of rows and columns, and the basic unit of a sheet is what we call cell. Now, the advantage of Google Sheets is that it enables you to be able to access your work, your spreadsheets, irrespective of where you are via Google Sheet. As long as you have your Gmail account, okay, you can access your work. Okay, you'll be using their cloud environment to carry out your work. And for those of you who will be working as a remote data analyst, it is important that you should be able to use Google Sheet extensively because once they send a data set to you, you need to edit it, probably put it in the form of in using visuals or building a dashboard for decision making purposes. Okay, so Google Sheet will be of great assistance to you. So first in your bet as we kickstart the package. Okay, so basically for tonight class, we are going to look at Google Sheet itself, the differences between Google Sheet and Microsoft Excel, and then we'll navigate through the menu and the toolbars, and then probably practice this. Open it, create a simple budget table with columns containing items, quantity, price, and total. And thereafter, we'll perform data entry, formatting, adjusting rows and columns, and perform setting of arithmetic operations such as the sum, average, count, mean, maximum. Okay, so to do this, you must be connected to the internet. Then open your browser. For the purpose of this class, I'll be using Chrome. Okay, so this is my browser. Now I have logged in already. This is, you can see we have Gmail here. This is, I've logged in, and then look at my account here. Okay, so once you log in, you see a three menu bar. A three, that is a, well, I say, let's call it nine dots or three horizontal line dotted. Okay, one, two, three. It contains Google Apps. Okay, so you can click on it. Once you click on it, you see the various Google Apps. Now this is my account. Okay, then search. That's your Google search. This is Business Profile Manager. This is Google Maps, and this is YouTube. This is Gemini, is an AI that helps in writing, okay, copywriting as the case may be. All right, and then for certain other operations, you can use Gemini for that. Then we have news. We have my inbox. This is Google Meet, okay, for meetings, and it can take up to 100, okay, up to 100 people per hour, okay. And if you are exceeding that limit, you may have to subscribe pay for the license. Then you can chat, contact. Once you have this and they synchronize to your phone, you can save your contact, back it up on Google as well. It's your Google Drive. Okay, then we have translator, we have our Google Play Store, a calendar, photos, and then we have at my art center shopping. Okay, now look at where we are going to. We have a sheet here. Okay, so and that is what we will be working on in this class. Okay, this is Google Docs. This is from yeah, the typical example. The alternate is your Microsoft Word. Okay, so this is for your slides. Alternate is your PowerPoint. Okay, and a lot of them. Okay, go ads for Google Analytics. This helps you if you want to track how people visit your site, your web page. You can use Google Analytics. Okay, to do that, you just link the site to Google Analytics, and then it can help you with the inflows what they are doing, the activities, their locations in which your users are coming. Okay, so let's pick this now. We are dealing with this Google Sheets. So you click on it, then you wait for it to open. Don't forget, you must be connected to the internet. Okay, now it is open. Now we have these blank sheets. We have to-do lists. We have annual budgets. We have the monthly budgets. We have the Google Finance Investment Tracker. I guess I did this. Yeah. Okay, this is to track. Okay. All right. So once you open, you have this. Okay, and then your previous work, recent works, you can see them here. You can see untitled spreadsheet, copy of Google Workspace keys checklist, copy of the respectively. You can see additional access to Chi-Square. All these are previous work done by me here. Okay, so we're going to click on blank spreadsheets. Okay, so you wait for it to open. Okay, now you can see my spreadsheet is now open. Okay, and as a feature of a spreadsheet is the same thing is applicable here. Your columns are calibrated with letters and your rows are calibrated with numbers. Okay, so now if you look at this as one of the objectives you are considering in this class is to move you around, take you around the environment of Google Sheets. Okay, so some of the toolbars you have here under your file, you can create a new worksheet, you can open, you can import, you can make a copy, you can share. Okay, you can share, you can share your work, you can download it as Microsoft Excel, you can even download it as PDF, as HTML files, as comma separated values, okay, as TSV file, that is tab separated values. All right, and you can rename, you can make available offline. Okay, so among others, we have settings there. You can do your settings if you want to. Look at it. This is local, showing the locations, and we have time zones, we have calculations. So you can do that iterative calculation if you want to do that, fine. All right. So that is for file. I guess you are, as I'm saying this, I want to bring to people what you have compared with what you have on Excel. Okay, you begin to see some advantage with this. So to edit, we have all these. Then under view, we have show. That is what we have freeze. That is freeze panel. You want to freeze your header. Okay, you can group, you can add comments. Okay, and then we have insert. You want to insert a new cell or a new rows or column, you can do that here. Charts, tables, pivot tables, and as well insert image to your sheet, your worksheet environment, drawings, functions. Okay, the functions such as the sum, you want to perform certain arithmetic functions or calculations. You get those things under your insert ribbon tab. Okay, you have the sum, the average, the count, okay, the max, the minimum, okay, or array, database, date. Okay, if you come to all, you get other options here. Okay, array, you have other options here. Then database, we have these. Okay, that database, you have dsdev, dsum, dvar, then date. For engineering formulas, we have these. For filter, we have filter, sort, and unique. For financials, we have all these as well. Then for Google itself, array formula, Google Finance, image, sparkline. Then for info, we have these infologica. We have the and, the north, the let, the truth, the switch, among others. Okay, so and then we then come to format. At the format, you format the cell. Tell us, okay, is this cell containing numbers or text? Okay, the alignment of it, okay, is to the left, centralized, or to the right. Then wrapping of your text, rotation of your text, the font size, okay, convert to table, conditional formatting as well, okay, just like if you want to format using color and the likes, alternating colors, okay, you can clear your format, okay, and then we have the data ribbon tab. You can create a filter, you can create a group by new, create a filter view, add a slicer, okay, you can add a slicer here, okay, you can also protect your sheet in the sense that you want to add password to it, you want to name a functions, column statistics, data validation if you remember, okay, data cleanup, split text to column when you have so many texts inside your cell and you want to split them into respective columns. You can do that here under data. Please do not forget. And then we have the tools. You can create a new form. Okay, that is just to collect responses. Okay, this creates a new form. Spelling, suggestion controls, notification settings, comments. Okay, we have accessibility. Then we have extensions. We have the add-ons, the macros, the app scripts. Okay, then we have the app sheets, we have the local studio, and then we have extension. Okay, if you want to learn more, you want to get updates. Okay, now we have all these other things. This is undo, this is to reduce, to print, and this is to paint. This is the zoom, the environment is 100%. This is your if you are formatting this cell to be in currency, that is the sign, percentage, you are indexing, that is 1 decimal point, or to increase the decimal place is in numbers already. Okay, this the for the fonts are using Times New Roman, the whatsoever be the font style you want to use for your text, you can do that here. And then you can reduce the font size here, you can type it inside, you can increase. This is the of your text, want it to be bolded, italicized, strike through, or text color. Okay, then if you want to fill the cell, then this is to add border. If you want to add border to your sheet, you do that here. Okay, then match cell. Probably you have two cells you want to match as one single cell, you do that here. Okay, horizontal alignment, then vertical alignment, text wrapping, text rotations. Okay, and then we have more. We want to add a link, that is hyperlink, comments, insert charts, field filter, filter by view, and functions. Okay, so guys, we've gone through the entire environment. So let's look at the classwork for the post of tonight's class before we round up. Let's look at the classwork. Okay, so the first classwork is this. We have to create a simple budget with columns. Okay, with columns like item, quantity, price, and total. That is what we have to do. So we have to get a column for items, a column for the quantity, the price of it, and then the total. Okay, so let's kickstart this. All right, so we're gonna start here. Double click. Let's write XYZ, XYZ 2025 budget. Okay, I have to make it in cap budget. Okay, now let's quickly work on this. Let's check the font style and then the size. Okay, we started. Actually, you're going to get that here. Okay, so let's scroll. Let's see, do we have Times New Roman? We have Times New Roman. This is it. Okay, we can increase this. I see you can type here. So we want to make this 40. Okay, you can see. Okay, and then let's assume we want to add color to it. Look at it here. Okay, we can add color, this color here. Okay, and then let's centralize this, even though. Okay, let's do this. We have centralized here, right? So this is it. Match centers. All right. Okay. Now we can then name this. So we should have items, the quantity, the price, and then total. Okay. So let's format our text. Let's format our text so that we can have can we should we add color, or let's fill it. Let's fill. Okay, let's do it this way. Let's just select. I want to just fill this. So this is it. Okay. Let's broaden this. Let's broaden this. It still seems as your control B. Okay. Okay. All right. I guess we're on the same page now. So now let's then add things here. Items. So I will just, for the purpose of this, I'm not going to touch the data validation where you can select. Okay, so I'll just list. Let's assume XYZ 2025 budget. This XYZ is a chemical company. Okay, so we have routine, we have methane, we have ethyl, we have sulfur, we have hydrochloric acid. Use enter key to move to the next row, and then we have distilled water, distilled water. Okay, let's assume this you need 25, this you need 30, this you need 40, this you need 50, this we need 60, this we need 10. All right, so let me add something. This I will know is per liter. I'm editing it from here. Per liter. Okay. Okay, so it's in liter. Okay, 25 liter, 30 liter. Okay, then the price per one. Now, so this will be price per liter. Okay, So let's assume the price per liter here. User, I'm going to format this too. Let's come to the formatting. Let's assume we format this. Since this is dealing with price, so come here. This we're showing numbers. So let's bring this as currency. Is that okay? All right. So this assume is 400. This is 200. This is 1000, and this is this 200, and this is 50. Okay, this is already a number. Okay, so it's a automatic. Okay, that is I can put here number. This is number. Okay, well, I don't want that. So change. Let's use plain text. Okay, this. Let's check what you have here. This is automatic too. Okay. Okay, let's leave that in automatic. This is, I don't want it to be in decimal point, so I'm going to change this. Let's put this in automatic. Alright, it's better this way. Now, what we're left with is we want to get the price, the total price, or the amount each individual needs to get this. Alright, so to do that, we're going to use our functions now. Okay, so we're going to go ahead now with equal to. Now, one thing with uh, Google Sheet is that it suggests appropriate formula for you. So once you do this, immediately I put my equals. I guess you can see this. It's saying if I want this, click on tab. That is B3 multiplied by this. You see it? Then I can drag down, move my cursor. Let's see. Okay, now let's drag down. All right, you can see. So I've duplicated my formula. I've duplicated my formula. You can see. So instead of you typing equals to product, and then you select this, comma this, and comma that, just with this, once you put in, it gives you the total. Now, let's assume I needed my total here too. Let's assume I want the total to be here. So 2, that is how to know the total item here, equal to, you can see, it suggested it to us, some 215. The same thing here, equal to, you can see it here too, equal to, okay, you can see it's asking us, okay, do we want to multiply? If we want to multiply, it will still give us the same results. But if we don't want to do that, then we can still add this together. It's the same thing. If you add these together, you multiply these together, it should give us the same results. Okay, so it's still in order. So we have this. So to prove your doubts, so you confirm, let's add. We have this. You can see this. Okay, sum. You can see it. This is 9. What do you have? Okay, let's see. Guess it's different. So it means this is wrong. All right, so let's quickly correct this. Delete. Let's delete this. Okay, so let's go now. Equal to. So what we need is to D8, not to D9. Let's correct it from here. Oh, okay, let's correct. Equal to. We need this tab. Okay, but it's to D8. So let's correct this. So D8. Okay, this is correct now. So let's quickly correct this. Is to D8. C8 rather, not sorry. I didn't take note of that. C8. Okay, this is correct. Okay, is this now? Okay, and this now. So it's correct now. So we don't, if you multiply by this, then you see it will give us a wrong value. So what we are doing is we want to sum these together and get the total cost. This is $95,000. And for this is this is for the liters, we have the total number. Okay, total price is 2,350 per price. That is the total per price now. Okay, not the total sum. This is for the total per price. We have this. Then the total for everything is this, and the quantity per liter needed for all the items is 215. Okay, so here we have a we are not using count for now. So let's assume we want to get the maximum uh, item in terms of price. So let's assume we want to put max here and then the minimum here. Okay, then let's come equal to, let's see if it's not suggesting anything to us here now. So you can see we are I put my M maximum, so it's returning this to us. So we just select and then okay, the maximum is 1000. Okay, then let's pick this minimum equal to, rather equal to, we need minimum. Okay, it's saying is it all this? No, we don't want to tab, but it's not also see, you see it, right? So let's correct that. See it. So the minimum price per liter is 50. Okay, you can do the same thing here with the maximum per quantity here is what? I see equal to max. Okay, press your tab, see 60, and the price here is 200. So it's not the same. It means that the items that we're spending, that the price per liter is expensive, is this sulfur, right? While for hydrochloric, in terms of quantity, that's why we need more. And then let's check for this mean equal to mean. And then let's select. Okay, so we have just 10. That is the minimum in terms of quantity. Okay, now for this, we can as well copy this to this column to get the value or the items that we are going to spend more on. Okay, so to do that, move your cursor. Okay, you can see here we have just $50,000. That is the items in which we'll be spending more. Let's calculate for this and see. For this, we have $500. Okay, that is the item in which we'll be spending the least of it, and that is for distilled water. Okay, so distilled water have the same like 10, 50, and this. All right, why for this is for sulfur 50,000, 1,000. All right, we'll be stopping here tonight. In our next class, we are going to touch how to add border to your sheets, how to use data validations, how to use freeze, how to freeze like the freeze panel, how to freeze your elder. Okay, so thank you for listening tonight. If you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. We'll meet at the same venue and same time. Do all have a wonderful day.